Hey everybody, Tim Vandermolen here with the product team at StartupOS. Today, we're going to walk through our Startup Grid dashboard that is available to active startups through your accelerator program, leveraging the StartupOS Launchpad solution. As a founder, as I come to the application, I'm able to come to the Startup Grid. And let me show you that on the left navigation here. If I select Startup Grid. And from Startup Grid, I'm able to see a great wealth of financial and operational metrics that are meaningful to startups. And from here, I'm able to click on one of these respective containers or metrics, and I can manually input the information and help, as we guide this in a standard format, users to populate this detail. In addition, we also support multiple integrations with tools that startups leverage to run and operate their business. For example, Plaid allows for users to connect to their particular account or bank in order to populate, as we see here, burn and runway. This is done through secure fashion and security. So as we go through this, we can allow for that to occur. It then will redirect us over to a login and connection page to where from here, we can go through that process, connect our accounts, and as we do that, our burn and runway will be populated and updated for us. Then from here, this can be leveraged as the startup has active conversations with both mentor, board members, other stakeholders, investors involved with their startup to, again, debrief them and have great collaboration around these very key financial and performance metrics. In addition, on some of these, we also reference and show industry benchmarks. So in the particular case, as a user comes in and populates data, for example, their MRR, they can see how their performance relates to that Series A benchmark, in this case, respective to MRR. And that can be useful or meaningful for startups as they, again, are looking to evaluate how are they performing and utilize these particular benchmarks. One other valuable way in updating information within Startup Grid is through the use of the Excel or Google Sheets template. And so through here, for example, I'll leverage Connect. I can come here, I can download that respective file. As that's downloaded and I open that up, and move this over, I can then see the respective details that I can update very quickly respective to the particular metrics shown in the Startup Grid. From there, I can then upload that completed template, and the system will ingest that data and update the metrics respectively. And in a similar fashion, we also support the integration with Google Sheets. As you've gone in and logged in with your particular Google account, allow that access. And then from here, you can give that a file name, give it a date range for which you're going to populate those metrics, and create the file. And once that's done, now on your Google, in Google Sheets for your respective Google account, you'll see that file, which you could then open, populate with that detail.